tutorial guide para sa withdrawal settings. Let's go. So pag nakalagin na, click the three lines, then e-wallet. Syempre po, magsiset up tayo. Unahin muna ang blue payout channels. Ayan, add channels. Ayan po, pipick upan po natin, select payout option. Ayan, so merong plus 60 pesos na service fee sa lahat ng mga select payout option. Alright, so kung GCash, lalagay mo yung GCash details, then select account type, then i-fill up mo yung mga details, account number and contact number. Ayan, so next is withdraw PIN, add channel. Ayan. So, maglalagay ka ngayon ng withdrawal PIN. Then, yung account login password mo. Boom! Pwede ka nang mag-withdraw. Alright, ito ang katuwang kasangga nyo, Coach Pangandoy Fred Pau ng Elite Falcon Team. Thank you!